My name is Kalila Guarnero, and today I'm showing you how to use the InfinitiPRO by Conair. This hair styler is a 2-in-1 stainless styler. It has black titanium ceramic coated plates that heat up to 400 degrees. It also has 1-inch floating plates, stainless steel outer barrier that heats up to 265 degrees. It has a powerful ion generator that eliminates frizz, a 30-second heat up. It also has uniform heat recovery. This will maintain optimum heat levels, 5 heat settings, an auto off, and 2 removable silicone tips. This does claim to be a one-pass hair straightener, but as you can see from my hair, it is a little thick and a little long, I have a wavy hair type, so I did not apply any product to my hair. I wanted to see what it would do. I just shampooed it the previous night before, and I'm just going to section off a piece of my hair and wrap up the rest, and I'll start with the root. So I'm clamping the styler down at the root and slowly and evenly bringing it down to the ends of my hair. Again, this does claim to be a one-pass styler, but because of my hair type, it took a few passes, but I find that the smaller the sections, the easier and the faster it is to straighten your hair. So definitely try that. As you can see, my hair is straightened using the tool, and I really like how soft and sleek it looks. Now for curls, you can do beach wave curls, you can do tighter curls. It really just depends on the texture and techniques that you're using. So for my texture of hair, I have to leave the heating tool on my hair a little bit longer than someone with straighter hair would. And so I'm going to try a more tighter curl. So I'm just wrapping a section of my hair around the barrel and clamping it within the straightener part, and I'm just going to twirl my hair around the barrel. And the quicker it is, the looser the curl, more relaxed you can get those beach waves, but the longer you leave it, the more tight the curl will look like that. So I just kind of experimented. I really go for the beach wave type thing, so all you have to do is just take your hair, twirl it around, and pull down on the curls, and it will create that nice beach wave relaxed look that you're going for. You can pick up the InfinitiPRO at Walmart. They have an exclusive pink version that's sold there, so definitely check it out. I really do like the product. If it works for my hair, it will definitely work for your hair. I really love the idea of a 2-in-1. You don't have to worry about a ton of tools underneath your sink or in your beauty cabinet. So definitely get one, try it out, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I did.